Imagine reaching your customers directly without the interference of social media algorithms. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how email marketing can transform your business. In today's digital age, email marketing is crucial for maintaining direct contact with your audience, bypassing the limitations of social media platforms. With tools like Aweber, businesses can create meaningful connections, build trust, and drive conversions effortlessly. Did you know that for every $1 spent on email marketing, businesses can expect a return of up to $42? This makes it one of the most profitable marketing strategies. Aweber simplifies email marketing with features like automation, audience segmentation, and an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a growing business, Aweber's extensive features make it easy to build, schedule, and track email campaigns. Aweber's segmentation tools allow you to target your audience based on interests and behavior, ensuring higher engagement and conversions. Integrating Aweber with platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and PayPal allows seamless connection of your email marketing efforts with your e-commerce or content platforms. Aweber's robust analytics provide insights into open rates, click-through rates, and conversion metrics, helping you refine your strategies for better results. Ready to boost your email engagement? Get started with Aweber and build lasting connections with your audience. Aweber, your partner in effective email marketing.